your bike, what you want to do is cut the back of it, so that will get rid of your old one, and that is connected to your bike. So what we're going to do, get our Stanley knife and cut down the center of that wire. So you want to expose, hang on, I'll get them out.
So 2 wires.
Yep, 2 wires in there.
Same colors with same color, right?
Yep, so blue to blue and black to black, or whatever colors are in there. So this here would be your new light that you've cut the wire down. Open this one up too.
It's good stuff, isn't it?
Alright, there we go. Now we've got the wires out. So you may need wire strippers to strip the wires back like this. That's what we want to do.
Yep.
And twist the wires as well. Now, staying with this side here, we'll just strip those down. There we go. Now what we want to do is get some electrical tape, and we're going to join these wires. So best way to do that is to put the 2 ends like this, just twist them together. Just fold the wire back over it, and then we'll put some tape over it. Now you want to make sure you don't have wire left out like that, exposed. It needs to be completely covered. So that's the first one, and then we'll do that with the second one. Now to make this look nice and neat on the bike, once you're finished, what you want to do is cut the excess off on these. Then we'll get the roll of tape and just cover the exposed section there, which will be done just by wrapping it around. Now this is only a very quick job. It can be a lot neater if you take a bit more time. You can also hide this further down in the bike so it's covered by the covering, the cable covering.
Okay.
That should do.